Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online privacy and security with a powerful new app VPN Pro. This VPN supports multiple protocols including WireGuard, OpenVPN, and more. Whether you want to secure your browsing, protect your personal data, or access geo-restricted content, VPN Pro has got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type VPN Pro and hit enter. From the list of results, find the VPN Pro app and tap on it. Now tap the install button to begin downloading the app. Hot beverage. This might take a minute. Feel free to grab a coffee while it installs. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, tap open to launch the app. You'll land on the VPN Pro home screen. Here, tap the plus icon to open the protocol selection menu. From the options, select OpenVPN to proceed. Step 3. Import OVPN config file. Now, tap on Import OVPN config to load your configuration file. Open file folder. Don't have one yet? No problem, we'll show you how to get one in the next step. Step 4. Head back to the Play Store and search for VPN servers. Download and open the app, then load the available servers. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is enabled. Once the server list appears, choose any server you like and tap Export to save its OVPN configuration. Step 5. Connect to VPN using VPN Pro. Return to the VPN Pro app. Now import the OVPN file you just downloaded. Once it's imported, simply tap the Connect button. You can also tap File to view real-time connection logs if you're curious about what's happening in the background. Step 6. If you don't want to use an external OVPN file, no worries. You can also use built-in servers from VPN Gate. Tap Import from VPN Gate Pro servers. Select any server from the list. Then hit Connect. It's really that simple. And that's it. You're now securely connected using VPN Pro, with full control over protocols and server options. Thumbs up if you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Outbox tray. Share it with your friends. Bell, and don't forget to subscribe for more VPN guides and tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.